And one thing I put on the table is, under the right circumstances, it would make sense to me, Kathleen, for America to have an air base in the north and the south of Afghanistan for in perpetuity, because South Carolina and Auburn are in play. We're on their side of the field because of the 30,000 troops. And Elliot, if we hadn't put 30...
What do you think about that, Sammy? Okay, so we see Lindsey Graham's take. We're going to stay in Afghanistan forever. Obama's probably the same way. You know, he's over there. So what happened to the anti-war groups, the Code Pinks, the Democrats, the MoveOn.orgs, the Democrats? I'm not a Democrat. No way. The only thing I agree with them on is what used to be anti-war. But that's gone. That went away. So what happened? I don't know what happened to that. I'm very curious. What is MoveOn.org doing? That's a big organization. What's Code Pink doing? Making sweaters?